In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to search for care providers using the Anthem website. So, let's get started. When you visit Anthem.com, you will see a green button that says Find Care. Click on that button to proceed. If you're a current member with Anthem, you can log into your Anthem portal to search for care providers specific to your plan and benefits. Alternatively, you can use your member ID to conduct a search. And if you're not a member, you can continue as a guest. As a guest, choose the medical plan or network option. Then, choose your state from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll need to specify that you have an employer-sponsored plan. If you're unsure about your network, you can refer to your Employee Benefits Guide or contact Think Insurance Group at 720-981-2788 for assistance. Once you've selected your network, it's time to search for care providers. Enter the city, county, or zip code where you want to find a care provider. Then, choose the type of care you're looking for from the available options, such as primary care, imaging, labs, hospitals, and more. And here's a pro tip. If you want to further refine your search results, you can leverage the options on the left side of the screen. These filters allow you to narrow down your search based on criteria like distance, ratings, and accepted insurances. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to search for care providers on Anthem.com.